anymore, but I was thinking for a couple minutes we could turn this stadium show into a world premiere. It's called Maroon. Ice Spice is here!
Sweeping it under the rug is what we're best at. Would you just give me a hug? Let's turn the lights out and tell me that you want me tonight.
Good morning, guys. For those of you who watched my previous video of me entering a Steve Madden Taylor Swift ERAS tour ticket giveaway, well, life update, I won. I still am in shock that I'm actually going to the ERAS tour today, and I just can't even grasp how lucky I am to have won a contest for the Taylor Swift concert. I cannot explain to you why, but for some reason when I saw that Steve Madden TikTok giveaway on my For You page, all of my intuition said enter this contest because you actually have a chance. And I don't know why, because I enter a lot of like just casual Instagram contests, but I never actually expect to win. I honestly always see contests for concerts and big events and festivals and behind the scenes meeting the artists type things, but I feel like the people who win are fake. Like, you know, you never actually meet someone who wins these contests, I feel like. So the fact that I actually won is like, it's just such a pinch me moment. I can't believe it. But I'm gonna stop rambling on and on and on about the contest. I mean, that is the reason why I'm even able to go, so I had to give it a shout out. But I wanted to film this day with you guys of me going to the ERAS tour, and yeah, just taking you guys along with me. I'm so excited. I'm taking my friend Sam with me because I got an extra ticket. So it is currently 8:57 in the morning and I have work at 11:30. I am leaving work early at 1:30, and then I have to catch the 2:50 train to the city. So this is gonna be a little bit hectic. I'm going to try and do my hair and maybe some of my makeup now before work, and then that way when I get out of work I can just speed on home and then change into my outfit and go to the train station and do all my accessories and all that fun stuff. Taylor Swift as an artist is extremely nostalgic for me. When I was in elementary school is when she started rising in popularity. So whenever I hear her music, it brings me right back to when I was a little girl and I would be watching her music videos in awe, and I thought she was the prettiest person ever, and she had the coolest music, and it was very young and all about love, and it was very relatable for elementary school me who just believed in fairy tales. So because of that, and because of the fact that most of my favorite songs are on this album, I decided to choose Speak Now because it's like pretty much smack in the middle of my childhood, but also I wanted to add some accents of her debut album to my outfit because, like I said, it's what I grew up on. So I combined the color purple with the little accents of butterflies, and that's gonna be my outfit for the concert. So now that I got all the explaining out of the way, I'm gonna jump into getting ready, and I'm so excited. I had no idea what jewelry to wear, but then I found deep within my desk drawer these little perfect butterfly earrings that match the vibe of my outfit absolutely perfectly. So that is the earrings that I will be wearing. I'm going to try and curl the ends a little bit more because they kind of fell flat since my hair appointment. So I'm gonna do that really quick and then I'll be back. I'm really nervous that I'm gonna make it look worse. It's a little on the tighter of curls side, but I just realized it doesn't matter if the curls are tight now because it's 9 in the morning and the concert is at 6:30, so by then the curls will have mostly fallen and they will be a lot less tight. I put some finishing spray in it. This is the Triple Sec from Dry Bar. It's just a little sample though. I'm gonna take a quick intermission and eat because I am so hungry right now. I am back from my intermission now and I need to continue getting ready. I'm running out of time. It is now 10 o'clock, so let's keep going. I'm going to start doing my makeup, so I'm gonna clip my hair back. These clips are the best thing that have ever happened to my life. I don't really know if the camera is picking it up, but my skin is not having it lately. I've been breaking out. It's a little bit better than it was, but I have a lot of pimples right now, so I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but this is a tinted moisturizer. I love it so much because it doesn't look cakey on my face, but it also evens out my skin tone, so I will be putting this on. I'm not a huge makeup person, but I've been trying to learn the best I can lately because I would love to get into makeup. I just never really learned. I hope this stays on all day. I did recently buy setting spray, so my makeup has been lasting longer, but it is, like I said, 10 a.m. and the concert's at 6 p.m. so the odds of this staying on is not in my favor. I really wish I got my eyebrows done because I am going to Disney this weekend, so my skin looks so much better now. I don't even know if you guys are able to see the difference, but I promise you in real life, that just completely evened out my skin tone. So like I explained earlier, I am doing my ERAS tour outfit all themed around the Speak Now album. So I am gonna attempt to do purple eyeshadow. Hopefully it comes out cool. I'm kind of nervous that it's not going to come out cool, but I have this old e.l.f. eyeshadow palette that I don't really use very often because I don't really wear makeup very often, but it has full colors and it does have purple. So I'm going to attempt to make this happen. I'm using this Urban Decay eye primer that is literally like 3 years old. We're just gonna go for it. So I'm going in with the purple and I'm gonna mess this up so bad, but here we go. Oh my God. I don't know why, but this concert is bringing me back to my sorority days because it reminds me of bid day where everyone is dressing up on theme. There's sparkles everywhere, colors everywhere. So nostalgic right now. It's giving I got punched in the eye. Yeah, it's a very deep shade of purple, but it's gonna have to work. What am I doing to myself? All right, okay, it's 10:14. We're making okay time. The more I look at this is definitely a dark blue and not a purple. I think this is good enough. I'm putting on fake eyelashes and glitter and stuff, so whatever. If the base eyeshadow doesn't look great, we're just gonna roll with it because it's fine. Also, no one's gonna be looking at my face. It's a concert. I'm doing this for me, so. I was gonna do bronzer, but I'm not really great at applying bronzer and I usually look kind of silly, so I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlight, and call it a day. I don't know if I should bother putting on mascara because I want to be able to put on my lashes easily later, but I look scary. I totally forgot to do this step, but I'm gonna put a little bit of Tarte concealer under my eyes just to make the bags go away. Honestly, you can't really see the bags very much right now, but I'm gonna do it anyway. That is all for makeup other than putting my eyelashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the setting spray on and hope for the best. This is the e.l.f. setting spray, and I just remembered I forgot to paint my nails, but at this point, I think it might be too late. All right, that is all for the morning get ready with me, so the next time I see you guys, I will be out of work, getting dressed, getting ready to go, and we'll be on our way to the tour. Against the odds, we made it to the train, and we're on the way! I have the enchanted outfit over here, and then Sam is Midnight from head to toe, and we're ready to go. We are currently on the New Jersey Transit, which goes straight to MetLife. We made it, almost. We're here!
All right.
We're in MetLife right now. These are our arms before trading bracelets. Well, actually we traded one, but it's fine. So this is the beginning of the night.
I'm really very happy with this.
Look how close we are. This is insane. I've never been this close in a concert in my whole life. Never. Never. We got the outfit, we got Midnight. Featuring the people who sent us here. It's almost perfect!
What is happening? Phoebe, do you want to come out? There's an amazing artist who and I want to explain how this came about because it just felt like karma or like fate or something. And so we did a music video for Karma featuring. Here's the thing, no one's seen it. I wanted the dancers to be out here because they're in it too. And what I was thinking is that for the first time, I've never done this before, but I was thinking for a couple minutes we could turn this stadium show into a world premiere of a music video. I was thinking, where can we find a screen big enough, And I thought, oh, that's a very big screen. We could just watch it there. This isn't like a movie premiere where you have to be quiet. I want you to feel your feelings always. He's here tonight, and he's actually from Jersey. Great guy, solid guy. Jack feels like a cousin of mine at this point. He feels like an honorary cousin. This is a song that I haven't played off of Midnight's, but it's one of my favorite ones on it. So I was like, and Midnight's is all about all these nights throughout my life. Things that kept me up, memories you keep going back to. So this one was a memory, just something I wrote about from a long time ago, but it took place in New York. There might be some people from New York here. It's called Maroon.